blanket of falling rain. Oh, how I love to hear it patter on my window pane, lifting up my spirit. Rain so precious, renewing the earth. Without you, how could we be? Sprinkling blessings on rich and serf, fields and forests from sea to sea. Refreshing rain, how welcome you are, coming down from heaven above. Drops that glisten as a twinkling star, symbol of his spirit, proof of his love. No gloom for me when skies are dark. Beyond the cloud the sun still shines, and in that lovely rainbow's arc I glimpse our Master's grand design. Ain't that beautiful?
That is beautiful.
Beautiful poet.
And it was a slow,
That mine?
slow rain.
Thank you, Granny.
I got more.
You got another
But
copy?
I felt at peace about you and where he was. I felt at peace.
Dwight felt at peace, but
I felt at
somehow
peace.
I couldn't. I don't know.
I don't know. I just felt so at peace about it. Well, one thing I knew, he was sick and suffering, and he had come up here about 6 weeks before he done this and spent 2 nights with us. And I was real glad I had that time. We had that time with him.
I wish I could have met him.
Yeah.
Hmm.